Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Wawa, Ontario, a small town famous for its giant Canada Goose statue that proudly greets everyone driving along the Trans-Canada Highway. Wawa sits on the northeastern shore of Lake Superior and has long been a stopover for travelers exploring northern Ontario. The town's history is closely tied to mining, with gold and iron ore discoveries in the late 1800s helping to build the local economy. The name Wawa comes from the Ojibwe word for wild goose, which is a fitting symbol for a place known for its connection to nature and wildlife. Before highways were built, Wawa was a rugged frontier where trappers, prospectors, and railway builders carved out a living. The town's iconic goose monument was first erected in 1960 to celebrate the completion of the last link of the Trans-Canada Highway. Today, Wawa is also known for its outdoor adventures, with nearby lakes, waterfalls, and trails attracting visitors year-round. Whether you're just passing through or planning to stay a while, Wawa is a lovely spot to explore. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Wawa, Ontario. Thanks for watching.